How to add Toncoin in OKX. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add it. First of all, open the application. Now on the top at the search bar, tap and search for Toncoin, so it will pop up here. So as you can see, this is the Toncoin in USD. So this is the chart available here. You can see the candles text too, so you can have technical analysis on this. Here on the top you can see options like overview, data and feed. So these are the indicators that you can see for the stock, and here on the bottom you'll be able to see this trade button. Simply tap on trade. Now you can directly buy or sell this stock. So here are some limit orders and you can simply have these amounts and tap on buy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.